Okay, Tom, we're this is the mold here. We've already taken it apart and cut that stub off from the the port, and we also removed this what was the stuff that comes in here. So I'll have to splice it so you can see that. We'll do it on the next model. So Susan got a little ahead of us there. We'll just pull this first one off, and that comes off really pretty simple. That's easy. And then just flip that over a little bit. You see how that's nice and smooth. You see that like right here is where it was cut. It was cut right here. So that's a little marred. But other than that, the surface is real smooth, and that looks good. And now Susan will start pulling the thing apart, and then you'll see what it is that happens. So unlike what it is you're talking about, with the machine would be coming straight up, but in this case, a lot of what it is that Susan does will be like peeling it back, like you get a little, a little bit at a time. So, and that's it. And that's the, just hold it still for a second. You can see how clean those bristles are. So it looks real good. And now we'll go after the top, the roof of the, And you can't get a good grip on this thing to be able to pull it straight off like you would, with a cylinder, a pump or whatever. That's that. And then that's the roof of the mouth. Those bristles already started to come out or something? Is that it?
Yeah, they started to pull.
Yeah, so you see on here, Tom, there's it looks like it's has a bulge on it. That's because the bristles have already come out of the pockets, and that's why, that's what we're looking at. We're looking at that little rise as a result of it. And then we'll take out the keys. And hold on one second. I'm going to try to get a little more light. Turn this so we can see a little more light on this way. Now you see what happens, Tom. We're talking about that 1/8 inch. You see how, okay, that's almost straight out. And you see how it bunches up? And just let it sit for just a second and let it get some memory in there. And then eventually that'll, break free.
It's never this tight.
And that's it. So we got some flash on it, as you can see, obviously. But other than that, you're going too fast. Turn it over. Let me see the roof of the mouth. And then there's the roof of the mouth. As far as the bristles are concerned, it looks pretty good. Let me get a focus on that. See how nice they are. And you also, Tom, I know you can't tell the texture here, but this is pretty soft at this point. So there's maybe too much water in this at this point. We just have to go through air dry, whatever that winds up being. So that's basically it. And then I'll do another one and I'll splice the two films so you can see what it is. You get these little dimples, this one right here, for example, but not much we can do about that. Okay?